important because the industry of tequilas and today is really high, and for me one of the best brand of tequila what we can enjoy it for today. And also it's my first presentation, and I'm a winner of this year of Patron Perfeccionist Spain and Portugal. So for me it's really important for my visualization of this tequila and how I'm create my drinks from this distillate.
So since it's going to be so colorful, even though the weather is not helping, but since it's going to be so colorful, since we're going to show all the bartenders and all the on-trade business our flavors for Jack Daniel's honey, Jack Daniel's fire, and Jack Daniel's apple, it's going to match. It's going to be very colorful. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to try to make a lot of fun. So I hope it's going to be good, and people knows about us. And let's see how to mix it and to enjoy it.
Actually, it's really important. Because actually we have two brands. We have Monin and Paragon. It's because it's really successful. We are working closely with Suarez for many years, and it's really important because this event gather a lot of customers, and we always have something new to show. For example, this year will be Paragon, and in this case, they can have a masterclass, they can taste, and they can enjoy. And it's just to keep really friendship with Portuguese bartender. And you have Portuguese bartender, but also I saw some bartender from Spain, and it's getting international.
Tentamos é utilizar os produtores locais e trabalhar em conjunto com os bartenders e com os chefes de cozinha para incorporar estas duas realidades. A Ria Formosa é um ecossistema tremendo e único e oferece produtos que acompanham esta exclusividade. E aquilo que nós tentamos é casar este produto local e único com as bebidas destiladas das nossas marcas para proporcionar experiências únicas.
Coragem para continuarem a fazer o que estão a fazer. É muito bom, é muito saudável e certamente é daquelas coisas que nós vamos ter que celebrar cada vez que olhamos para uma garrafeira, crescerem como crescerem e continuarem a fazer o que estão a fazer. Hoje em dia por nós, enquanto pessoas, enquanto profissionais e também pelo nosso país.
Good morning, thank you very much. First, I want to thank Garrafeira Suarez for the invitation of being here and also everybody coming. I see a lot of expectation for Flor de Caña. For us, it's very important because we are introducing the brand in the market. So we've been together for 6 months. So being here is a great opportunity to introduce in this big event Flor de Caña into the trade.